Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to add a page in a PDF file using jsPDF and also how to delete a page. So basically this will be the video. So I have created a very simple HTML file and I have included the jsPDF CDN. You can see that this is a JavaScript file I have included, and now basically I will be having a simple button which will be having a ID of button, and I will be having a text which will be download PDF. So if I hit this button, a PDF file will be downloaded. Now in the JavaScript I just need to get the reference of this button like this document.get element by ID. This is a method that I will use, and I will pass the ID which I have given button, and then I will bind a simple event handler. So when we click the button, a callback function will execute which will hold the event object, and the first thing that we need to do is to initialize a new instance of jsPDF. So we will be making a new doc variable, and inside this we will initialize new jsPDF. So this will make a new jsPDF document, and basically if I just save this document, let's suppose with a name output.pdf, so you will see that it will contain a blank page. And now if I refresh the application, it will contain a button. If I hit this button, a PDF file will be downloaded as an attachment. You will see that output.pdf. If I open this file, default one page is added to this PDF file which is blank here. You can see that. And now in order to add a new page into this PDF file, what we can do here is that we can invoke a very simple method. Just before you execute this line doc.save, you can add a page by having this method which is add page. So from the name itself, it will be adding a simple page to the PDF file. So this is a method. And now if I again refresh the application, and now if I hit this download PDF button, if I open now, oh sorry, it hasn't refreshed. So now if I download PDF again, and now you will see that it will contain two pages. This is the first page of the PDF, and this is the second page. You can see that. And with this help of method, you can add as many pages as you want. Let's suppose on the first page I need to enter a text. This will be adding some kind of text to it. This will be written on the first page, and now if I add again invoke this method, this will be printing on the second page. And now if I refresh the application, so just wait, it is refreshing. And now if I hit the download PDF button, it will download a PDF file as an attachment. And now you will see that it will contain two pages. So just wait, it is refreshing. So it is saying that invalid arguments passed to. Sorry guys, I need to also pass the x and the y coordinates where will be the text will be attached. So just try these arguments. So now it will not create an error. So it will download PDF. So you will see that if I open this, this will be written on the first page and this will be written on the second page. So in this case, you can create as many pages as you want in your PDF file using the doc.addPage method. And now in order to delete a page, this is very simple. But before that, we have to know that how many pages are present inside our PDF file. And for that, we can use a very simple method. We can just console log this, that is doc.internal.get number of pages. This is a method, get number of pages, and this will print out the total number of pages which are present inside the PDF file. And now if I download PDF, and you will see that it is printing out the total number of pages which are present, which is in this case 2 pages are present inside the PDF file. If I open this, you will see that 2 pages are present. So this method can be used in order to successfully print out the total number of pages in order to delete a page. Doc.internal.get number of pages. And now the last thing which is remaining is to delete a page. In order to delete a page, we use this method which is delete page. Very simple. In order to add a page, we use add page. In order to delete a page, we use the delete page method, and this takes the page number that you want to delete. In this case, I want to delete the second page, so I will pass here 1, because the indexing starts from 0 in programming, as you know. So I need to delete the second page, and hopefully now if I refresh this application, the second page will be deleted. You will see that it is still printing out 2 pages, because now if I open this, you will see that only 1 page will be there. The second page is deleted. Second page is not there. And again I print out the statement after executing this line console log. You will see that now it will print out the total number of pages is 1. If I again refresh the application, you will see that firstly it print out the total number of pages in the PDF file is 2. After deleting one page, after deleting the second page, it print out the total number of pages is 1. So in this manner, you can add a page in jsPDF, you can delete a page in jsPDF, and you can also print out total number of pages which are there in the PDF document using jsPDF. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.